Best bulbs for infrared sauna. Number 1. TheraBulb Bulbs for Infrared Sauna. For saunas and personal application, TheraBulb bulbs are designed to emit optimal near-healing wavelengths of 700 to 1200 nanometers. Certified free of lead, mercury, cadmium, hexavalent chromium, polybrominated biphenyls, polybrominated diphenyl ether and other toxic substances. TheraBulb products comply with the strictest standards of the European Union's Restriction of Hazardous Substances Directive RoHS. TheraBulb has low EMF, which means a minimal electromagnetic field, and is CE certified for electronic and mechanical safety by the European Economic Area. Careful attention is paid in manufacture to eliminate rough metal edges.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. Luminivo Bulbs for Infrared Sauna. Specifications: 250 watt for TheraBulb near-infrared heat lamp. Red Circle. Our 250 watt infrared heat lamp can help relieve body pain, eczema, psoriasis, skin elasticity, and treatments. Red Circle. Each infrared light heat lamp has a lifespan of 5,000 hours on average. Great use for light therapy that provides instant relief. Red Circle. Easy to use. This bulb heats up instantly. You can use this for less than 20 minutes each time. Red Circle. Our infrared heating lamp emits a red, relaxed light and heat source. The red heat bulb's heat radiation is ideal for the elderly, athletes, women, men, and pets.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. Ruby Lux Bulbs for Infrared Sauna. Near-infrared light therapy bulb designed for near-infrared heat lamp therapy in saunas. Near-infrared light therapy increases collagen, skin elasticity, relieves pain, speeds healing and more. No UV to block, no Teflon, no fluorinated fumes, no mercury vapor, no toxic substances and no far infrared. CE certified. Backed by Ruby Lux money-back guarantee. Ruby Lux accepts returns for any reason within 60 days of purchase. Longest life. Lasts 2+ years. Compare to mere weeks from other IR lamps or only months from brand X bulbs.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. Surfree Bulbs for Infrared Sauna. Super holiday sale with bonus coupon. High intensity 150 watt/110 volt near infrared thermal red light bulb. Emits optimal near-infrared healing wavelengths 700 nanometers to 1000 nanometers. This near-infrared light therapy lamp helps with muscle recovery, healing, skin elasticity and more. Easy to use, designed to fit standard E26/E27 socket, 100-240 volts AC. Compatible with infrared saunas using incandescent infrared light bulbs, supplies temperature heating for pets. Use it anywhere, at any time, to help relieve your pain, for the body and face.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 5. Sunlight Bulbs for Infrared Sauna. These 375 watt red heat lamp bulbs are fully dimmable and provide warmth for a variety of residential and business applications. Standard medium, E26, base fits into fixtures, lamps, and recessed lighting rated for heat lamp bulbs of 375 watts or more. Ideal for heat lamp fixtures in bathrooms, spas, saunas, and salons. Add warmth to the space, use for hair drying, color processing, and to keep clients warm during spa or skin care procedures. Use in warming lamps in kitchens or over the pass in restaurants, for catering, carving stations, buffet tables, or anywhere you need to keep prepared food warm.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.